But why is Walmart eating the girls up like this? Girl, I pay like $60 for some shoes like this. Hey YouTube, what to do with your girl Chatty Shay, and welcome back to another video, you guys. Alright y'all, so let me tell y'all, I've already been to 2 Walmarts and I completely forgot to record. So I'm going to insert them clips in this video somewhere. Just know that I was at them 2 different Walmarts. So I'm actually getting ready to turn into my 3rd Walmart, y'all. This video is so spontaneous, like I was not even going to record, and I'm like, oh, this will be a good vlog. But anyway, y'all, I'm looking for those viral TikTok, is it called Avia sneakers from Walmart. They cost $20. I want a pink pair and I want a gray pair. My homegirl also want a pink pair. So y'all, if we find these sneakers today up in Walmart, baby, we gonna cop them because they only $19.98 and they're going viral. And fun fact, I already had a pair of these sneakers before this. Like, I bought a pair of these sneakers like 2 years ago because I don't really care for the new trends or fashions. If I like it, I don't care if it's brand or not brand, I'm gonna buy it. But anyway, y'all, so we at Walmart and we gonna this is our 3rd Walmart. So we gonna try to find these sneakers, okay? We gonna try to find these sneakers because I want to get some more of these sneakers, and my homegirl want a pair too. So y'all, we are pulling into Walmart parking lot. Don't drive and record it, okay, y'all? Safety first, safety first. Right? That's the girl who's driving and recording, right? Okay, because I'm a +5 points driver according to DMV, okay? +5 is the max number of points you can have on your license. So girl, I'm an expert driver. Anyway, y'all, we at Walmart. So anyway, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get out the car because it's gonna be a struggle. Alright, y'all, we here. Look, I don't care what time you come to Walmart, it's gonna always jump, y'all. Look at this. Walmart is jumping. And if you follow me on TikTok, then what is you doing? Because baby, I got dressed today for y'all. Okay, so we at Walmart, y'all, and we gonna try to find these shoes, okay? I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm mad excited. And y'all, don't judge my wig. Not too much of my wig because I'm gonna be getting my hair done. So not too much of my wig, okay? Okay, period. So we entering in Walmart, y'all. So let's go see if we can find. Yeah, I wish I had my tripod, but this was like so random. But anyway, we going into Walmart. And why Walmart almost smell like this? Okay. I don't know. How you doing? Ooh, y'all, this dog getting a little vicious. Alright, y'all, so let's find these shoes, y'all. Look at y'all, this sweater really do give. I need to get y'all close up on this sweater. Yeah, I'm looking. But we found the shoe department. All right, hold on, y'all.
You get another 2-day thing.
I'm looking for the shoes. Cause where is the shoes? Lord, y'all done bought all the shoes up. Okay, it's a whole nother Walmart. Trying to find the shoes, y'all. Trying to find the shoes. And they ain't got them in here. Let me see. No. This ain't right. Get it. Alright, another Walmart we go. Alright, y'all, so this Walmart shoe department is crazy big. Like, what? First of all, is these not Pumas? This is very much giving Pumas. These are cute. I think these are men's, y'all, but these, I like these too. Ooh. But that's what the sneakers look like. So let's go to women's. Yeah, this Y'all, this department is huge. So these are the shoes, but this is men's. Let's. It's giving. Is we gonna find these shoes? Is we? Not are we? Is we? Oh, but these is. Oh, y'all, I think I'm copping these right here. Let me find my. Okay, I'm gonna get these, y'all, for sure. Getting. Y'all, they still sell N1s in Walmart. Jeez. I'm definitely gonna get me a pair of those. But let's first. Okay, y'all. Look. Oh, oh, they got my size. Oh, y'all, let's put these on our feet. Hold on. Alright, y'all, got them on. Y'all, these is cute. Baby. Yeah, we buying these. We definitely buying these. Alright, y'all, so I just left down there. I got these two here. And I'm looking for the gray ones, y'all. And I don't see the gray ones. I have these too, y'all. I have these. Mad comfortable and cute. Ooh, this is cute. Hold on, y'all. But why is Walmart eating the girls up like this? Girl, I pay like $60 for some shoes like this. Why is Walmart eating the girls up like this? Girl, let me get up out of here. So I'm gonna buy that to match these. Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Listen, I had to run home and throw this together because this is a Walmart outfit, okay, y'all? I threw this outfit together. Whole outfit came from Walmart. Look, y'all, it was like $18 for the top. This them little jegging legging pants they got at Walmart, y'all. Giving with my Walmart shoes. I'm trying to see how y'all could get the right angle. I don't know how to show y'all the whole fit, but these them Walmart shoes, y'all. Let's do a shoe cam. Y'all, these shoes so cute, baby, and the fit go. The fit go. So this is the whole fit, y'all. This is the fit. These are the Walmart shoes that I went to 4 Walmarts for. Here go the other ones, y'all. Baby, cause Balenci who? Baby, this only cost me $23, okay? This whole outfit with them other shoes right here, $60. The whole outfit is $60 from Walmart, y'all. $60 for the shirt, the pants, and the shoes. All was a $60 outfit. Don't play. Look, boom. 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 Don't play with it, y'all. Go to Walmart, y'all. I ain't got no sponsorship and I bought this with my own money, so don't play with it. Go to Walmart, y'all. You could be bougie on a budget because, baby, this is very much giving. You throwing a little bag. I know this don't match, y'all, but I'm just saying. You put a little bag on. Girl, bye. Go to Walmart. All right, y'all. Go to Walmart. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a purpose of girl doing no channel. Till next time. Bye.